County ya Kisii hamwe serikali ya Kisii samangania Chigosori abwaso waziri uyu we Chigosori Eric Miyenda nyare kwene kibuna timu ye county usaba kolie meremo be county ya Kisii mekere buna Kisii kikoska nagendete kwiroberi bosi be Chigosori cha kikoska cha chi county au imense ya Kenya chiroberi ase wikere bosi asense meri ya mirosa tebire buna eyungati emiroberi county ya Kisii ebegete gosira Chigosori amo ya nagatie Chigosori buna maminyo karanyara ko base county ya Kisii tatebire buna abamenyi be county ya Kisii banyare ko baba kwiroberi bosibe miroberi bangire ne serikali ya county ya Kisii.
Also in another 1 week we are releasing our staff from here who will be attending Kikoska sports in Meru for a week. We have already teams in place which are going to represent Kisii County. I also want to say that as we move along, we are going to have a Kisii County tournament and at the same time Kisii County marathon, which we are planning as a department. When we will be having that, we call upon the people of Kisii County to come out and participate in those activities. So as a department in sports and athletics, all sports, we want to nurture the young people to be very good champions like Eren Ubiri, like Meir Mora and the rest of the people who have done well. And we are having support from the government. Our governor is supporting these tournaments and athletics and everything. So we confirm